Welcome back to Goldfries. In this video, we'll be looking at this beautiful 60% size keyboard, which is from Akko. The model is 3061 Neon. So this keyboard is, as you saw in the intro, is purple in color, but what I'm holding is after I replaced it with some of the provided pink colored keycaps. And yes, it comes with a range of pink colored keycaps, keycap remover, and a USB Type-C cable. The Akko 3061 Neon retails at US 90, and with discounts from time to time you can get it for less than 85, which I think is worth it considering you get additional keycaps. The bundled keycaps are PBT and they look great. The LED lights won't shine the legend, so this is not the keyboard you want to use in total darkness, at least not without changing of keycaps. The bundled keycaps are nice and they come with drawings like an alien, flower, paw, and I don't know what this is. But my issue with the bundled keycaps is the mismatched profile. Take for example the arrow keys. They could have been a good replacement for the WASD keys, but the profiles do not match. And they even provided a vertical enter key, which is pointless. The keys are nice and comfortable to press. The keycaps show very little wobble and rattle, and the stabilizers not only feel good but look good too. This is a keyboard review and not a switch review, so I won't dwell on that. However, just to let you know, I'm using a linear switch, which is the Gateron White. So having a solid base and a non-floating key design, this means the typing is not noisy. The Akko 3061 comes with a range of fancy colors where you can select, and you are able to adjust the speed, brightness, and also choice of colors for certain modes. Those of you who want bright RGB LED, then this keyboard is not the brightest around. Subdued but sufficiently bright. Bluetooth connectivity is good and I have no problem connecting and typing, and the response is fast. The Akko 3061 is lightweight at about 500 grams and it has an 1800 mAh battery, so you can carry it with you anywhere without worrying it going flat. The keyboard also supports N-key rollover in case you need to simultaneous press. Lastly, my favorite part is the elevation, of which the Akko 3061 comes with 3 levels of height adjustment for your preference when it comes to typing angle. Alright, so we come to the end of this video. This is an excellent keyboard and I highly recommend it. Go badge from me. Looking forward to try out more stuff from Akko. Alright, that's it for this video. If you like this kind of content, I hope you also subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.